Wave! Woo! Big kiss! Big kiss! Come on! You can do is make out a little, for God's sake. I mean, you did just get.
Wait, I don't think that was a good thing.
No, I think that was terrible. I should take another picture.
Let's do that again.
Yeah, hurry up. Oh, there you go. Yeah, that's much better. Oh, you look very happily married.
We are.
Oh, that's good.
Wait a minute.
This is your camera, so.
Have you seen my ring?
Oh
my God, it's so beautiful.
It is. It's very fashionable.
Wait a minute, it looks like a bowl.
Look. Oh, wow.
Wait a minute.
Oh, yeah.
It's very functional.
Yeah. You can. Well, I don't know what you'll use it for, but.
Well, it has a functional shape. It's flat on all parallel sides, so that it doesn't stick out too far. Like, it doesn't really stick out any further than my nipple. So I've almost forgotten how to have it on, except that I keep looking down, being like, I look good in a ring.
You do look good in a ring.
I look good in a ring. So I think I'll wear it.
Yeah.
I think I'll wear this to work. I think it will accessorize most of my outfits.
It is going to look better. It really is. It is.
I do.
You look.
Even if I do this.
I have to tell you, you look about 10 pounds lighter with that on.
I thought it was slimming.
Yeah. You know, they say black is slimming.
Yeah, and it is. Don't you think?
God, you stink.
Do I? It's the Sandalwood fans.
You're right.
Am I? That was not on video. I hope you got it.
It was all actually on video.
Well, good, and it's candid and it's real.